Alright, so next is gonna be fuel filter replacement. So on the Caprice wagon, the fuel filter is actually on the passenger side. So the opposite side from the fuel filter. So first you want to open your fuel tank. Make sure that you relieve all the pressure from the system. And this is going to be a little bit messy, I promise. So you're going to have some spillage. I have yet to see fuel filter inline change without any sort of spillage. So what we're going to do, I'm going to find my cardboard, which is right here. We'll have the spillage on the cardboard. Make sure you have car securely on jack stands. I'll show you where the fuel filter is at. Here it is. Here's the fuel filter. So as far as getting it off, it's fairly simple. You just take this nut off, then you press the white plastic clips in. Both of the lines will pop off. There's going to be some fuel spillage, don't worry about it. And then you attach the new one. Make sure that you attach with the proper side toward the engine, which it will have an arrow usually on the actual filter. Here's our fuel filter. It's made by Duralist, model FF776DL. That way up. This is the one with an actual bracket, so you don't need to worry about redoing the bracket. There you go. You can see the little arrow. I don't know if you can, but because of no flash. Well, here's a little arrow, like right here. Arrows towards the engine. So yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. Now let's go get it installed. So the filter is held by one 13mm nut, bolt. I'm not even sure why this is bolted in this situation. It's not torqued really hard, but if you live in the area with rust issues, it might be a pain in the ass. Mine seems to be going okay. I'm just using a little quarter drive ratchet. So more big firepower. Okay, so all stepped off. Get ready for major spillage, because it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. So remember, depress this, pop, depress that, pop, replace with another filter, boom. So this is pretty much what it should look like once you're done. Remember, like I said, it's gonna spill quite a bit of gas. We got, I would say, maybe a little bit less than a quart of gas and a bunch on the floor. Gotta wipe it off. Try not to smoke around it. I mean, smoking is bad for you anyway, but you know, this might harm your health a lot more if you smoke around the gasoline here. So now remember, you have to bump it a couple times. Try bump it without starting it, just so the gas goes through the fuel line, and then you want to make sure that there is no leaks or anything else like that around the fuel area. But it looks pretty good. I mean, popped right in. It should be good. Plus, it is a TBI, so it's not really high pressure fuel system. And remember, you do have to replace this filter once every 30,000 miles, which lots of people don't do. And performance of your vehicle will be a lot better. And now we're going to bump it a couple times. Make sure that you crack your garage open if you're working in the middle of winter like I do. So you can see it's snowing outside. So, whoa. Let's turn this bad boy back. Put it back on. Boom. Now, you put the bumps without starting it, or at least trying not to start it. One, two, three. Okay, so got the fuel.